Today I will walk you through step by step how you can use drag and drop trading on cTrader, and this is absolutely brilliant if you want to trade directly on the cTrader app, and it'd be very simple and very efficient. So the first thing we need to do is open up cTrader, and then from here you want to choose your currency pair or asset that you want to trade. Now for example, if I click on GBP USD, I then want to go down to the chart here, and then I want to click on the little full screen icon next to where it says M15. That will then open up the chart in full view. Now, let's just say that I want to do a buy order, and the same applies for a sell order. So first of all, I want to obviously choose my risk. So I would go down to my lot size. I can, work out my lot size depending on my account size and also the amount that I want to risk by using any calculator or anything like that online. Now, once I've done that and I want to place a buy order, what I can do is I can drag and drop my buy order onto the chart here. As you can see, this is the buy order that I'm moving around. So if I want to buy from this little fair value gap, I can drop it there. You can then go to your stop loss and you can move your stop loss. If you can see there, what it will show you the amount that you will lose, the amount of pips that you will lose. And if you go to your take profit and move this, it will show you the exact amount that you will win if you win this specific trade, and also the amount of pips in profit that you will be if this trade does win. Now, if you want to cancel this, all you need to do is select your order. You can go down to the X in the bottom right hand corner, and then you can also click on cancel. If you obviously want to move your order, you can drag and drop this around. So you can also move the stop loss. You can also move the take profit. So let's just move this. So you drag and drop the take profit, right? As you can see, you can move this around and you can make any adjustments that you need over time. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can use drag and drop trading on cTrader. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.